Offering payment plans for high-ticket courses is a game changer when it comes to making your course accessible to more students. But if you've been struggling with how to set up these plans, you're in the right place. I'll break it down in under 3 minutes and show you exactly what you need to do to get started. First off, why offer payment plans at all? Simple. Not everyone can pay upfront for a high-ticket course. By offering payment options, you make your course accessible to a larger audience, which means more signups. It also helps build trust and credibility, showing you understand the financial constraints your students might face. Now let's dive into how you can set up payment plans for your high-ticket course. The first step is choosing the right software for the job. There are tons of options out there, but you want something that's both easy to use and reliable. I've tested all the most popular software for this purpose, and I've got an exclusive free trial link for the one I recommend in the description below, only for you, the viewers of my channel. More on that in a moment. When you're setting up your payment plan, start by deciding how many installments you want to offer. Most people opt for 3, 6, or 12-month plans. The idea is to break the course cost into manageable chunks, making it easier for students to commit. You want the monthly payments to feel affordable, but still worth it for the value you're offering. Next, think about the structure of your payment plan. Will it be automatic billing every month, or will students need to manually pay each installment? Automatic billing is smoother for both you and your students. It's one less thing for them to worry about, and you'll have more predictable revenue. Here's where things get a bit more specific. You need to figure out how to set up your payment plans on your website or sales platform. Many course hosting platforms have built-in features for payment plans, but if yours doesn't, you can integrate with a third-party payment processor. With the software I recommend, setting up payment plans is straightforward. Just plug in your pricing structure and the software will handle the rest. It's really that simple. Once you've got your payment plan in place, make sure you're transparent about the terms. Your students need to know exactly what they're signing up for, including how much they'll pay, when they'll be charged, and if there are any interest or late fees. Being upfront and clear will build trust and minimize chargebacks or disputes down the line. Another thing to consider is the risk involved with offering payment plans. While you're opening up your course to more people, you might also run into some people who don't pay as agreed. To protect yourself, consider using a contract or terms and conditions document that outlines the payment expectations and the consequences of missed payments. Some software also includes features that automatically handle this, sending reminders or suspending access until payment is made. Now, the key takeaway here is this. Offering payment plans for high-ticket courses is not just about increasing sales. It's about making your course more accessible, building trust, and ensuring a smooth financial experience for both you and your students. Offering flexible payment options is one of the best ways to expand your customer base without compromising on value. Let's quickly recap the main points. Start by choosing the right software, decide on the payment plan structure, use automatic billing to simplify things, be transparent about the terms, and protect yourself with contracts or reminders. And of course, I strongly recommend you take advantage of the exclusive free trial for the software I mentioned earlier. Check out the link in the description to follow along. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and check out the free trial link below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.